Hey everyone! Welcome back to The English Friend, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of good vibes. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about something super practical English sentences you'll use every single day.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jack, your English learning buddy. If you ever get confused about what to say in daily life, this episode is going to save you. We're going to talk, laugh, and learn real English, not the boring textbook stuff.
Exactly! Because English is not just about grammar rules, it's about talking naturally in daily situations. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk confidently about your day, your plans, and your feelings, just like a native speaker.
So grab your tea, coffee, or water, whatever you like, and let's start this fun English journey together.
All right, Jack, let's start from the morning. When you wake up, what do you usually say?
I say, ugh, 5 more minutes, please.
Haha, that's most people. But in English, you can also say, I just woke up. It's time to get ready. I need coffee right now.
I love that last one. I need coffee right now. I use it every morning.
Exactly. And here are some more daily morning sentences. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. I'm getting dressed. I'm leaving for school or work.
Simple and super useful. Oh, what about when I'm late?
You can say, I'm running late. I overslept. I missed the bus.
Oh yeah, I overslept. That's me every Monday.
Okay, after the morning, you meet your friends. Here are some natural ways to start a conversation. Hey, what's up? How's it going? What are you up to? Long time no see.
Long time no see. I like that. Sounds friendly and natural.
Exactly. And when your friend tells you good news, you can say, That's awesome. Good for you. I'm so happy for you.
And what if it's bad news?
Then you can say, Oh no, that's terrible. I'm sorry to hear that. Don't worry, things will get better.
Nice. So now I can sound like a real friend in English.
Let's move on to some everyday sentences you'll use at school or work. Here are a few. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to finish my homework. Can you help me with this? Let's take a break. I'm tired.
I say that last one every day.
Same here. And when you're busy, say, I'm working on something. I'm really busy right now. Let's talk later.
Perfect. This is real life English, not just this is a pen.
When you go shopping, these sentences are super handy. How much is this? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a bigger size? Where can I find the milk section? Can I pay by card?
These are perfect. I once said how many this cost, and the shopkeeper looked so confused.
Ha ha ha. Happens to everyone. But now you can say it correctly. Jack, let's also talk about feelings. Because English is not only about actions, it's also about expressing yourself.
Yeah, sometimes I want to say how I feel, but I don't know the right words.
Try these simple ones. I'm happy today. I'm excited for the weekend. I feel tired. I'm a little sad. I'm stressed.
And when someone asks, how are you? I can say more than just, I'm fine, right?
Exactly. You can say, I'm doing great. I'm okay, just a bit tired. I'm having a good day. Now, let's talk about food. My favorite part of the day.
Same here. I'm always ready to eat.
So, at a restaurant, you can say, Can I see the menu, please? I'd like to order a burger. Can I have some water, please? This looks delicious. Could we get the bill, please?
Oh, and I've heard people say, I'll have, right?
Exactly. It's very natural. For example, I'll have a pizza and a Coke.
Got it. I'm getting hungry just listening to this.
Okay, Jack. Imagine you're at the airport or bus station. You can say, Where's the ticket counter? What time does the train leave? Is this seat taken? How long is the flight? Could you please call a taxi for me?
That's so helpful. I remember once in another country, I didn't know how to ask for directions. I just pointed everywhere.
Happens to all travelers. But now you have the right sentences. All right, everyone listening, it's time to practice. I'll say a sentence, and you repeat after me. Ready?
Let's do it.
I wake up at 7 a.m. Repeat. I go to work. I'm feeling happy today. I'd like a cup of coffee. Can I have the bill, please? I missed the bus.
Nice. Now let's do a little challenge. I'll say the situation and you make your own sentence.
Example, you're hungry. Say, I want to eat something.
You're tired and say, "No, I need some rest."
Perfect. Keep practicing, guys. Short sentences build confidence fast. Word / phrase, meaning example. Sentence, wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up early on weekdays. Oversleep, sleep longer than planned. I overslept and missed my class. Delicious, very tasty. This cake is delicious. Tired, needing rest. I feel tired after school, excited, feeling happy and ready. I'm excited for the trip. Bill, the paper showing what you pay. Can I have the bill, please? Menu, list of dishes in a restaurant. The menu looks amazing. Ticket, paper for travel. I bought a train ticket. Confused, not sure about something. I'm confused about this question. Relax, rest, and feel calm. I like to relax on weekends. Let's quickly review what we learned today. You now know morning sentences. I woke up. I'm getting ready. Talking to friends. What's up? That's awesome. At work / school. I'm working on it. Shopping. How much is this? Eating out. I'll have a burger. Feelings. I'm tired. I'm happy. Travel. Where is the ticket counter?
Wow. That's like a whole day's English in one episode.
Exactly. If you use just 5 to 10 of these sentences daily, your English will improve super fast.
Sarah, I always forget sentences after a few days. What can I do?
That's totally normal. My tip, don't memorize. Use. When you brush your teeth, say in English, I'm brushing my teeth. When you go out, say, I'm leaving home. Use English in real life, even when you're alone.
So, basically, think in English. Speak in English.
Exactly. And you'll see improvement every week.
Thanks for the awesome class, Sarah.
Thank you, Jack. And thanks to everyone listening. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who also want to learn English. See you next time on The English Friend.